Good morning, everyone. Okay, so there's a lot going on today. Now that doesn't mean that, in my opinion, there's probably a lot to trade, but it's not obvious right now. It's not really evident. I'm going to stay away from GameStop. I think that have you ever seen two idiots get into a fight? Well, and and they get into a fight and they smash up a room. Well, that's what the longs and shorts are doing on GameStop right now. GameStop was way over leveraged at 140% short. I don't know, 2, 3 weeks ago, whenever it was that the GameStop thing started, and it's now 70%. The float is 70% short. And so it's getting squeezed. And I don't really want to be a part of it because it's smashing up the room. Everybody else suffers with this whole GameStop thing. And it's just, I don't know. If there's money to be made there, then okay, I don't want anything to do with it. All right, so on Watch today, I have Carvana. Carvana reported earnings, and let's recap the earnings here. Carvana announces fourth quarter and full year 2020 results. Quarterly revenue of 1.8 billion, an increase of 65% year over year. Quarterly retail units sold of 72,000, an increase of 43% year over year. And Q4 revenue view 1.6 billion. Refinitiv IBS data. Well, there's a catalyst. So I put a Fibonacci on it. Here, let's see. I'll bring it up on the daily. And I took its Fibonacci from this level down here. This is sort of the low. So we've got a gap up. So there is still a little bit of a gap left to fill down here between 181 and 172. But I took the Fibonacci down to this level here. It's it's the low of this move right here. So today, as of right now, pre-market, it's at $263. I'm sorry, $275 pre-market, and I've got an entry at 263, and an extreme entry at 248. I don't think it'll go to 248. I'm pretty confident if I get an opportunity today at 263, I will take it. It may or may not go down that low today, and I don't know. But if it does, I'm a buyer at 263.95. All right, next up. Cciv. Now, Cciv is taking a huge haircut. Let me show you the Fibonacci for this one. Erase the Fibonacci. Let's put a new Fibonacci up. I'm taking this Fibonacci all the way back to this. This is a SPAC, an acquisition corp, and it was hanging around at $10 for a few months, and then boom, all of a sudden it popped up. So CCIV is retraced past its 38% level and is down here. I have it at 25%. I changed the Fibonacci from whatever it is. I think it's 23 something, or I've forgotten. If it goes down to 23.73 today, I'm a buyer for a bounce. That's it, just a 1% bounce. Let's take that Fibonacci down. And so there's my level on CCIV. All right. The leading gapper this morning is Lixt. It's a small cap biotech company. And all small tech biotech companies are notorious for popping up 100, 200% on a given day and then falling back down either the same day or the next day. the news on this one is that it's building cash. Lixt Biotechnology files for up to 20 million mixed shelf. Basically, what it's doing is it's raising cash. Now, if it's raising cash to keep its head above water, that's not as bullish as if it's raising cash to expand operations. I don't know enough about this company. I don't know what kind of drugs it has in the pipeline. I don't know really what's going on with it. It's a momentum play. So if it gives me an entry on the 1 minute here, I might even watch it down to the 1 second tick. This is the 1 second chart here. I might even watch it. I mean, when it comes to trading it, I might even watch it as closely as 1 second to see traders coming in. And so it's a momentum trade. You know, I wouldn't be surprised to see it sell off at the open, or gap and go and then sell off, and then you just got to play it correctly. It's a momentum play. And the next up is AFI here. I've forgotten the headline on AFI. Oh, okay. So AFI lost less money than expected, right? I don't know. Armstrong Flooring Q4 adjusted loss per share is $1.37. Sales rose. It's a small cap flooring, I suppose. Armstrong Flooring expects fiscal year 2021 revenue to grow compared to 2020, supported by anticipated positive residential trends. New product introductions. Yeah, okay, whatever. It's a momentum play. So if it gives you a momentum setup, and I'll be watching it on the 1 minute, maybe even a tighter time frame than the 1 minute. But otherwise, I mean, there's going to be a lot going on today. There's going to be a lot trading, but I don't see anything. Even the ideas that I have today, I don't have a high rate of conviction on, other than Cvna. Cvna, definitely, if I can get this 2263.95 level here on Cvna, I will take it. However, I don't have a lot of confidence that the price will go back down that low to test that price. And so, my scanner is chock full of stocks on the move up and down, but I'm not seeing anything really juicy. So that's going to be it for the trade ideas today for me. This week it's been a good week. Not a home run week, but I've been making money this week. So it's Friday. Fridays are notoriously difficult, and they can be a wild card. They can be a big up day, big down day. It just, there's no telling. All right, everybody. Good luck out there today. Keep your risk tight today, and I will see you for the recap. Out. Oh, yeah. Hey, remember to click like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks. Later.